All right, number one. Let's go ahead and first find the totals. Cods ordered, so there's 6 spicy cods, 10 not spicy cods. There are 16 cods ordered. Salmon's ordered, right? So 8 plus 11, that is 19. Spicy fish, 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Not spicy fish, 10 plus 11. 10 plus 11 is 21. Okay? All right, now to find the total, this number right here, a couple of things we can do. We can add this column, 16 plus 19, right? That's going to give me 35. I could have also done 14 plus 21. That is also 35. I could have also done 6 plus 10 plus 8 plus 11. That is also 35. Okay? All right, now, let's go ahead and answer these questions. What percentage of fish orders were spicy cod? Okay, look for the word of the fish orders. So, of all the fish orders. Of all the fish orders, that's 35, right? All the fish orders, there's 35 fish orders. Of those fish orders, what percentage were spicy cod? So it's giving you 2 parameters here. Spicy cod, so that's 6. Okay, there are 6 spicy cods. So 6 out of 35. So it wants the percentage, so you're going to go in the calculator, do 6 divided by 35. All right, it's going to give you 0.1, you can see that. Gives you 0.171, okay? So that's 17%. I'm just going to move the decimal over 2 spaces, right? Multiplying it by 100, right? So that ends up being 17%, right? So 17%. So this was like 0.171, so we're going to say 17%. Next one says, what percentage of orders were non-spicy fish? All right, so what percentage of orders? Again, it doesn't specify. That means of all the orders. So that's out of 35. Okay, so what percentage of orders were non-spicy fish? All right, so non-spicy fish right here, right? 21 were non-spicy fish. Okay, so I'm going to do 21 divided by 35 on this one. So I do 21 divided by 35. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Tilt it. All right, it gives you 0.6. 0.6. All right, so 0.6. All right, move the decimal over 2 spaces. That's 60%. Okay. All right. Of the spicy fish, what percentage of cod was ordered? All right, this one, it specifies the of spicy fish. So of the spicy fish, there are 14 spicy fish. Okay. Of the spicy fish, what percentage of cod was ordered? So of those spicy fish, there were 6 cod. Okay, so 6. So I'm going to do 6 divided by 14 on this one. All right, so let me see a calculator that is flat here. Let's do this one. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 divided by 14. 6 divided by 14, and that gives me 0.4285, right? Or 0.428. Let's go with that. 0.428. All right, that's 42.8%, so I'll say that's 43%. Okay. All right, next one. Okay, so let's go ahead and find our totals first. Totals? 21 to 40-year-olds. It looks like there's 45 of them, right? 25 plus 20 is 45. 41 to 60-year-olds, 20 plus 35. Okay, so it's going to be 55. People that voted yes, 25 plus 20, 45. People that voted no, 20 plus 35 is 55. All right, so 45 plus 55 is 100. I also have 45 plus 55 here. I could have also done 25 plus 20 plus 35 plus 20 is also 100. Okay. All right, now let's answer the questions. What percentage of voters, doesn't specify what type of voters, that means of the voters, there's 100 voters. okay? So that's the denominator. Were 21 to 40-year-olds. 21 to 40-year-olds. There were 45 21 to 40-year-olds, right? So there's 45 of them. Well, it's out of 100, so that makes it pretty easy. 45 divided by 100 is 0.45, right? So this is going to be 0.45, and that's 45%. B says, of the 21 to 40-year-olds, so it specifies the of here, of the 21 to 40-year-olds, so our denominator is going to be 45. Of those 21 to 40-year-olds, what percentage voted yes? Out of those 45, 25 voted yes. Okay, so I'm going to divide that, 25 divided by 45. Okay, and that gives me 0.555. 0.555. That's 55.5%, so we'll say that's 56% when we're rounding. Okay. What percentage of voters again? So doesn't specify, right? It just says of all the voters, of the voters. So there's 100 voters. Were 41 to 60-year-olds who voted no. 41 to 60-year-olds who voted no. All right, so there's 35 of those. Okay, so I have 35 divided by 100. That's going to give me 0.35, and that is 35%. All right, last one I'll do you number 3. Let's get the totals. All right, so for mint tea, there are, it's 12 plus 19, so that's going to be 31. Fruit teas, 23. Caffeinated, right, that's 27, 12 plus 15. And then caffeine-free, 19 plus 8, that is also 27. All right, so 31 plus 23, that's going to be 54. 27 plus 27 is also 54. And again, just a reminder, 12 plus 19 plus 15 plus 8, that's also going to give you 54. Okay, any of those ways can get you the total. All right, what percentage of caffeinated, what percent of the caffeinated tea ordered were mint? All right, so the of is specified here, of the caffeinated tea. All right, so caffeinated tea, there's 27 of those. Okay, of the caffeinated tea, what percentage were mint? Okay, so that's 12. That's 12 out of 27. So I'm going to divide 12 divided by 27, 0.444. All right, so that's going to give me 0.444. That's 44.4%. So we'll just round it to 44%. All right, letter B, what percentage of tea ordered? Okay, so of tea. So it doesn't specify mint, fruit, caffeinated, or caffeine-free. Of all the tea ordered, right? What percentage of the tea that was ordered, so 54 is your total, were caffeinated fruit teas. All right, so caffeinated and fruit, so there's 15 of those. All right, so I have 15 divided by 54. 15 divided by 54, that gives me 0.277. Okay, so 0.277, that's 27.7%. So we'll say that's 28%. Last one, what percentage of orders? All right, so of orders, of all the orders, 54, right? So 54 is our denominator. Were caffeine-free teas. All right, so we want caffeine-free here. There are 27 caffeine-free teas, right? So 27. 27 divided by 54, that's going to give you 0.5. Okay, hope you know 0.5, that's a half. A half is 50%.